Yet another Jamaican woman found dead in Barbados. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. Another Jamaican woman has been found dead in Barbados in just over a week. According to media reports out of the Eastern Caribbean island, police investigators are probing the death of a Jamaican woman whose body was found at her home on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as 39-year-old Charmaine Merchant of 106 Willow Drive, Ruby Park in St. Phillips. She was reportedly found hanging inside her garage at her premises. According to a media outlet in Barbados, residents were alerted to the incident in the early hours of Monday morning. Additional details surrounding the circumstances of the Jamaican death was not provided. Just last week, what described as a mysterious killing of a Jamaican sex worker in Barbados reportedly sent shockwave throughout the community of sex workers in that country. The event triggers reports that a serial killer has been targeting ladies of the night. The sex workers claim that they have been targeted by a serial killer after the new decomposing body of a 45-year-old Jamaican, Odette Antoinette Nicole Henriquez, was discovered in a yard of an abandoned house in Beckwith Street, Bridgetown. Her death follows that of two other sex workers and a violent knife attack on another over a 12-month period. On July 27 last year, the nude body of Oliver Carter was discovered at Henry Lane in the city. A month later, a well-known sex worker known as Nikita Jones, more popularly known as Muscle Cat, was viciously stabbed several times by a client who also robbed her. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.